Today, gumawa ako ng kalabasa with carrots. Ano siya naman ko yun? Nabatang naman. Tapos lalagyan ko lang ng milk. Milk lang, day. And then, i-blend. Dinala ko pa tong food maker niya. Galing sa UK. Kaya, lahat ng bagahe namin sa kanya lang. Kulang pa sa gatas, guys. So, anuhan ko siya. Lagyan ko siya ng kaunti pa. Ay, kaya pala nagganon. Kasi wala to. My goodness. Hindi ko nalagay. Ito na ba ni? Ayan, this is good. And then, asan yung kanyang halagi. Babalik ang aircon. Ayan. So, ganito lang ba yung ginagawa kong puree para kay Ella. Simple lang naman. Tapos, gustong-gusto niya naman ito. Ajing, ajing, ajing. King, king, king. Ayan. So, si Ella, hindi ka mahihirapan pakainin dahil kasi sobrang tapang itong kumain ng gulay. Okay. Okay. Come on. One. Is it good? Yeah? Do you like it? Do you like it? Mommy made it with love. Very good, Agong Bibi. Madaming fresh dito na gulay, anak. Ha? So many fresh veggies here. Do you like it, anak? See? Lunch with a view in Manila. Very good. Very good. It's not hot, man. Wala pang high chair pala. Kaso nag-request ako ng high chair dito sa owner. I think today or bukas daw nila i-deliver. You waiting for this? Yeah. It's squashy. It's pumpkin. Pumpkin with carrots. You like it? You like it? Huh? Ashish. Ashish. Yeah, do you like it? Do you like that one? Is it good? Parang kahapon pa tong ipit mo, anak. Parang kahapon pa yan, day. Ay, okay po. Ay, sorry po. Okay po. Sorry naman. Natagalan daw, mami, uy.
Diyan na yan kasi pag maligo natanggal na yan.
Tanggalin natin to, anak. Ay, nagagawa na po siya, day.
Natanggal.
The one said, roll over, roll over. So you're roll over, and the one fell out. Ding, 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 ding. There were 7 in the bed, and the little one said, straight your back, anak. Straight your back. Lami, no? Lami man na, uy. Na ang aking darling kumain. Naubos niya yung pagkain na nilagay ko sa plato. Nag-ready lang ang kanyang... Oy! Ay! What is that? You gonna have a bath now? Are you going to have a bath? Bath? Ay, just. Ang naong sa kong palangga, oh. Ay, sus. Naapay pumpkin ang dangway sa akong bebe. Kiss ko, anak. Are you having pupu? Miss Ma'am? Woo! Okay. Napakalikot na ni Ella, dahil. Ay, napakabigat buyag. Ay, wala nang energy si Mami Inday. Diyos mio. Aging. Gang. Gagi ko. Tidid. You wanna say hi to them? What do you want? Mahilig siya sa camera talaga. Alam na alam niya pag lumalabas tong camera namin. Ha? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Oh, hello! Hello! I just... Maligo na among baby. Magbabath na among baby. Mainit ngayon, dahil. Tanong ko nga si Franco kung ano yung lakad namin today. Ano ang lakad ng aming baby today? Ging. Bari bam. Sige na. Say bye. I'm going to have a bath. See you later. I'm gonna have a bath now. Ganda ng kulay ng damit mo, anak. Lago kang pumuputi. Lalo siya nagiging pisay sa yellow na damit. Pag maligo na din ako after ni Ella, day. Diyos ko, day. Ang bigat ng aking bebe buyag. Come. Asan yung ipit ko? Asan yung ipit ni Mami, ha? Katulog din naman ako, day. Grabe na tong buhay dito, day. Grabe ang init, oh. Sa labas. So, nag-text sa akin yung ano pala, yung owner. Nabasa yung dito ko. Katabi ko si Ella Bell. Nakapatong siya dito sa ano ko. Yun yung pinaka-favorite ko talaga. Pag nagnanap ako, mas gusto ko yung katabi ko siya pag nagnanap. Masarap sa feeling, Zay. Kaso medyo mabigat na yung anak ko, dahil. Ito yung high chair. Nag-text yung ano. Nag-text yung owner kasi yung high chair nila dito, isa sa mga reason ba't binuko to kasi merong high chair. Unfortunately, nasira daw. So sabi ko, paano yan? Ayun yung reason na gusto ko. So bumili siya ng bagong high chair, wala siyang choice. Kasi yung anak ko, kawawa kaya dito siya nakaupo palagi. Kasama kasi sa description dito sa Airbnb, high chair, tsaka may portable na yung crate niya na maliit. So, assemble natin. Kasi ako lang assemble ng high chair ni Ella sa bahay. Let's see kung gagawa ko ba yun today. Yan, the color is very nice. Ay! Okay na, medyo malambot siya. Ay ko kabayo. The upper two wood holes is inserted into the foot pedal. Someone is back from the gym. Oh, this is Ella's no high chair.
Oh, where'd you get that from?
From the owner, I request.
So when she gave it?
He gave it.
He gave it.
Hmm.
Wow. VIP wheelchair.
No, actually, one of the reasons why I booked this because it's included with high chair. But then the last guest who rented this condo, they broke it. So I said, so what can I do? I need a high chair for my baby girl. Then he bought new one.
That should go, shouldn't they?
Yeah,
The
exactly.
previous person has to pay for the broken one.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Wow.
You know, Airbnb, babe, you can just remove your card. So maybe he couldn't.
Or you can leave bad reviews.
Hello! Gwapo masakong baby oy! Look at that piggy tail! It's so cute! Cute man na akong darling girl. Ha?
Teddy
Ha?
bear.
Ay, just, king. King, king.
Kumangapit na yung mga ano niya.
Ay, you're so cute with that hairstyle, anak. Huh? Who is that? Who is that?
Wow.
Who is that? Say hello,
Wow,
YouTuber.
Wow,
Say hello. I'm going out. So mama, fix my hair.
Wow.
Daddy's
Hi,
taking
everyone.
napper. Asyos. Oh, Diyos ko. Nagigil si mama.
Gramo.
Asyos. Gigil. Ah. Can you say mama? Mama.
Dada.
Dada. Dada. Where are you going, anak? Ha? Where are you going? Ay? Ganun na patinista naman akong baby. Ay, hiyang na hiyang man yun sa Pilipinas, ha? Yan, gabangis yung ilong color, no? Kimos pa rin. Kimos pa rin mong hair, anak? Ha? Kakit ba na ang hair sa akong baby? Uy?
Adjust sa hair ba? Parang naimukapit.
Kapit lang dyan, ipit. Kapit lang dyan. Tapos na akong mag-ayos. Magmamall daw kami. Sobrang init ngayon, Zay. Nauga ang among ilabhan, day, oh. May binili akong mga damit ni Elabel kahapon. So, ayan na, tuyo na siya. Si Franco, nag-gym kayo ng umaga, di ba? Nagpagod na siya. So, mag-nap muna daw siya before kami aalis. Yung hirin ko ka lang suklayin. And then, magbibihis. Ay, Diyos! Nandiyan man na! Nasa saktungan didi ay.
Saktuhan ng bangko, Bino.
Nasaktuhan gidi ay. Gustong-gusto niya na nakaharap sa salamin, day. Mana-mana ka talaga sa nanay mo. Ah? Eliana Bella. Say hi. Be kind. Bye, be kind. Bye, be kind. Ay, king. You wanna say something to them? Yeah, show them that you can talk now. Baba, ba. Ga. Can you see yourself there? Huh?
Kasi yan nga iyang pisngi daw.
Cheese.
Ayan, ito yung bata, oy. How's the yellow kimpet, bebe?
Yelo ang kimpit man na, uy. Ayan, nandito na kami sa Green Belt. Gala muna kami dito, guys. Tulog si Elabel.
Where are you going?
I don't know. I think I'm looking for like bench. Maybe I'll just buy it there. Don Franco.
Greenbelt, here we are.
I think
Party.
Franco is craving for steak. Steak, di ba?
Yeah, there's a steakhouse I saw earlier in, where was it? Where were we earlier?
Where? You went out.
Where were we staying? I can't remember. BGC.
Yeah.
Sorry. Mine's gone blank, so I think I'm going to try and see it later, see if there's any tables, because I want a good steak. I've had steak for a few weeks now and I miss it.
Don Franco will date me daw.
The price is right, I'll do it. If not, Matt up, do beef chicken in the lounge. It's very hot today.
Oo nga, mainit.
Liana's asleep.
Tulog si Ella daw sa kay
They're on this tide today, so
Maybe because it's too hot.
yeah, it's very hot today. It's only November, isn't it?
Yeah.
Why it's hot and it's November time?
Here in Philippines, it's always hot, except if there's typhoon. Basement po.
Yes, ma'am.
Ay, no. Third floor. Oo.
Wala kasi nagsabi.
Ay, sorry, ma'am. Ayan na, nagtutour-tour tayo dito.
Oh no, oh fuck that. Big girl.
Fried chicken po. Binibenta po. Fried chicken. Fried chicken ni Alabel. Awit na ikaw.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ang mga pang-baby din dito, dahil.
Yan, mag-heart-heart na naman yung mata mo. Sige, nakita ka na naman. Hala, no? Lalabas na kami kasi andito ka na sa loob.
Namili pala kami ng mga bra dito sa bench. Landmarks to, di ba? One is up already. Hello! Hello! Elabel! Gising na yung bata namin, kaya tulog na tulog siya. Oh, may bisita tayo, oh, Nigala after class.
After class.
Mag-Japan ka naman.
Mag-Japan pala ito si Glenn. Since marunong ka naman Japanese.
Sampot pa lang yan.
Miswa daw, day.
Miswa daw, day. Ano lang, miswa.
Where are we going next, Bob? I'm done now with my things. Do you
Is
need
it?
anything? Yeah.
I thought you wanted to buy cake.
Oh yeah, cake. So, kailangan namin ng cake for her monthly photo shoot.
Ba't ka kasi ganyan?
Kasi nagdala ng sinela sa yan tuloy. Hindi ka na lang sa tangke.
Bababa kami ulit, guys. Bili kami ng cake ni Elabel. Lang, daming to. In fairness ba, ang dami pala magandang laruan sa clothes ng mga baby dito sa Pilipinas. Ngayon lang ako nakapaglibot-libot kasi ngayon lang din ako yung mama.
Mag-kiss lang pag MRT.
Kaya nga, nung
Walang traffic.
Pero maraming tao sa MRT.
ang tao,
Ay, oo.
saan ka bumabasa?
Where do you think the cake? Ay, here. Ito kami sa Shakey's kasi gigutom yung bitok dahil.
I've had five meals today already. Yeah, I've had five.
I think it's always like that.
Wow? What is it, wow? Where is wow, baby?
You know what it is? When you're in BGC or Mount Carter, there's restaurants all over you, isn't it? It makes you hungry.
Is it?
But then when you go back to the UK, it's like you go back to your normal routine and you start cooking again.
Yeah.
But I love Shakey's. Shakey's is nice. I love the mango shakes.
Yeah.
Whoever's been to Shakey's before, you know about the mango shakes. Holler at me down there. Comment below. Let me know that I'm
Mango
not the only
shake.
one.
Hello, baby. Are you okay? Are you okay? I don't.
Masyadong malakas mo.
Beautiful eyes, baby. Beautiful eyes, baby. Anong orderin mo daw? Si Franco day, gibitok ng kumbana day, mananda ko siya glawas day. Bumili ito yung cake na pinili namin sa Red Ribbon.
At malaki. At malapit. Are you hungry? Hi, Annabelle! Hi! Hello! Hello! Ay, cute. Cute.
Kulong matay.
Da. Yaw-yaw na po do. Igay.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake it here and shake it
Ito
there.
nga pala yung bartender na mother ni Ella.
Shake it here and shake it there.
The bartender.
Shaker. Shake it here and shake it there.
Tuwang-tuwa naman yung bata namin. Naging bartender na mother, no? Okay.
Open, shut. Open, shut. Everybody do clap, clap, clap. Open, shut. Yeah. Open, shut.
Ganyan ang mother struggle pero ang papa. Gusto naman diha.
Give it.
The mother is very struggle and the father. Okay. Di na kadaog.
Okay.
Okay, you try it. Le?
Open, shut them. Open, shut them.
Okay. Good. Let's see how angry she gets.
No.
Let's see if you're like your mother.
Yun na yung order namin. Ay, andyan naman ang daddy's girl diha, ha?
Are you hungry as well, Ella? You wanting some food?
Order lahat? Hindi pa. Mas pa, may pizza pa, dalawa.
So ask me to go high seat.
Yeah, I think they have.
Ano Inday?
High chair.
May video. Excuse me. May high chair ka po.
Meron po kayong high chair. Been a long time. Naon. Naon tagay. Pak, oh. Kakao pa ka? Yeah, dyan na. Nilagay na ang bata. Yee, hold.
Here.
What's this here?
I think it's like that, Bob.
Paborito ko din eh.
Yeah. Oh. You want your milk, Nana?
Ako na. Wala. Dili mag-play.
Alright.
Iuli na lang. Take out.
Oh. Chicken as well.
Yeah, it's coming.
Chicken as well is coming. So 1.6. Special offer. So yeah, looks yummy.
Lami ang bread eh.
Wow. So
Naibog
much
mo ba na siya?
Pizza. Alright, go pizza.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Lynn? Eliana pizza? No milk? Okay.
I don't really like mushroom. Kung kau mushroom na eh. Wala yung ano? Tabasco? Pauwi na kami. So ayan, si Dong Franco ay gumagawa ng reels niya. Ito kami sa mga mamahalin dahil tingin-tingin lang dahil. Tapos binihisa namin tong batang to kasi nabasa. Nabasa ikaw, anak. Here?
One here. There's one we got picked up over there last time.
Where? Where? Yeah. Yeah, but what's this exit called?
You have to find it.
Louis Vuitton. Dior. Dior.
Lovely. So guys, we're about to leave now. I'm going to stay behind and do some grocery shopping because there's nothing left at home. And Annabelle, you've been a very good girl today, haven't you? Have you been a good girl? You have. Annabelle is, I think she's tired. She's making these high-pitched noises. That means she wants something. I think now she's quite tired, so Joanna's going to take her home first. But we're trying to find a pickup spot at the moment, which we cannot find. I think it's the other side. No, the other one. So we're looking for a pickup spot where we can get a grab. And there seems to be many places here, so we're going to walk to the other side now. No, the other side. Lynn. Did you have a good time in Greenbelt, my Cathy darling? Illabelle keeps looking in all the high-class, expensive shops, which is not a good sign. She's looking in LV, Christian Dior, Versace, just to name a few. You need to stay out of those shops where Daddy's around, darling, yeah? Daddy can't afford it, alright? You're gonna make Daddy a poor man because there's gonna be two of you that are into these high brands, high street brands, high class brands.